Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is the 2022 range from Spanish producer Benimar. This is the Tessoro 488, which has been brought out for 2022, and this has a rather modern layout, but it's a type of layout that Trigano is doing in other vehicles as well. 67,500 euros, 7 meters long, 230 meters wide. And when I say about the layout, well, it's got this long couch down there, bed up there, couch there, not quite so long, kitchen at the back. Where's the washroom? Oh, did you know it was here? Here's the washroom, and at the back here, and we haven't finished with everything yet. Look at that! Ah ha ha! That's a rather unusual thing to see, and we still haven't finished. Nor have we yet finished. And the rest we're gonna have to see from the outside, because I can't get into it from here. Anyway, right, I think that this is rather a pièce de résistance, so to speak. This really, the back here, oh, it's tight. And there's the garage. You can easily get a bike in there, or two in there. Towel rails. This is very nice. This is a dressing room in a 7-meter Benimar van, because you can keep your clothes in here. You've got space here, that pull-out thing. You've got lots and lots of room. Wonderful rear bathroom. You've got a huge sink here. Perhaps it's a little bit too big even. Not often you get a chance to say that. And the kitchen sink, I don't think, can be too big within reason. But the rear one, if you're using it to wash your hands mainly in, it's made of plastic, but so most of it is. You've got a hook there. You've got I noticed there was a rail here, storage. That's very nice. Now, the Chausson X150, was it, or the Challenger X500, I think it is. That's the small van it's 208 centimeters across, and which is the camper van. It's the motorhome, which is pretending to be a camper van, so it's 6 meters long and 208 wide. Now, anyway, this came out as a rather revolutionary. It is a rather revolutionary vehicle. I can see that in other videos made by the same company, because it's Trigano. I mean, Benimar's part of Trigano, as is Chausson and Challenger. But it has the same sort of basic look. And what they must have thought with that other one is that just make it a bit shorter. Now, Chausson has a vehicle almost the same as far as the lounge is concerned. Challenger has the same as far as the lounge is concerned, and Roller Team's got something that's a bit similar. And so anyway, obviously one brand is doing the same as the others, and the parts are all coming from the same place. Maybe they're trying to increase competition within the brand, or, as I think, which is more likely, is they're trying to get the dealers to compete with each other. Anyway, the point of me bringing up the subject of the revolutionary van is you can see where they got the idea from. So that, well, okay, that is, what was it, 230 centimeters across, get rid of 20 centimeters, and then we've got a van which is 210 centimeters across. And through the gangway, I think that can be done. Anyway, there's the bed up there. I don't think we're going to get the bed down, but it'd be nice if I could. Now, there's plenty of space here for doing your cooking. 3 burners. The knobs have been removed because people pinch them. And big window. Plenty of storage. potential storage up there which has been wasted. Now how far, well, you can see how far the bed will come down because they've got runners. No, so you can't see how far the bed will come down, because potentially it goes down to the end of the runner. But let's have a look. Yeah, I think in all fairness, you probably get it down to where the table is. This table, which is enormous, will go down even further. 230 max on the bed. And let's have a look at the table. See how big it is. Look at that. Absolutely enormous table. For 2 people van as well. I mean, man, you've got these huge couches. I mean, you know, sleeps 2, and you've got enough seating room for 33. What do you think? I like the back. I'm not so certain of the front though. I think it's too much wasted space, but that's the way I look at it. Anyway, another nice little thing is this. Sorry, I can't show you the bed, but it's not. I don't have the way of getting it down. Here's your electrics, your heater, something for your television. Television will move up and down quite a lot there. Well, if you're sleeping in the bed, you might want it quite high. Yeah, lights go off. I'll leave them on. So you can see here, look at the garage. I mentioned this earlier. And the bit, which I said we'll come back and have a look at later, is here. So, that's that bit there, which in a way sort of looks a bit like a waste of space, but you can see you couldn't actually get access to it from the inside. So I think every bit of storage, that would be the things you don't use very often. You're going to need, there's a ladder there in any case to get into the bed, so why not? You could possibly, I don't know how you use the ladder. You'd have to stand on a bucket or something to get up there, but that's stuff you take out once a year, that type of stuff. You go there. What's in here? Oh, some stuff for Benimar, so we'll close that one. There's the Benimar Tessoro 481. You can see that in a separate video. I'm going to walk around the side of the 481 though. I filmed this in the past, maybe not in the 2022 version. This is another rather curious layout. A friend of mine's got one of these, and he will no doubt be watching this video. So back onto the front, there you are, Tessoro 488 at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and all the best.